Building a long-term relationship with a civil engineering outsourcing provider is not simply a matter of signing a contract and delivering a project. It is about creating a foundation of trust, shared understanding, and consistent performance that can grow stronger with every collaboration. For many companies, outsourcing begins as a way to manage workloads, control costs, or access specialized skills. However, the real value emerges when the partnership evolves into a seamless extension of the in-house team, delivering results with efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. A successful long-term relationship starts with choosing the right partner from the very beginning. This means finding a provider that offers both technical expertise and a proven track record in the specific field of work. AXA Engineers has earned that trust from U.S. design firms for more than 15 years, delivering civil engineering design and CAD drafting services that meet the highest standards. With a team of more than 80 engineers across 3 offices, AXA Engineers offers services that span land development, public works, subdivision projects, 3D rendering, Revit modeling, and more. The company has been recognized as a success story by Autodesk at the Autodesk Converge 2023 and was the leading consulting firm in Vietnam for civil 3D licenses in 2023 and 2024. These achievements are a testament to the capability, commitment, and professionalism that clients can depend on. Clear and consistent communication is at the heart of every enduring outsourcing relationship. From the first meeting to the final delivery, both sides must have a mutual understanding of project goals, timelines, and quality expectations. AXA Engineers uses advanced platforms such as Autodesk Construction Cloud to ensure all stakeholders have access to real-time updates, coordinated documentation, and issue tracking. This approach eliminates misunderstandings, speeds up decision-making, and fosters transparency. Clients have often noted that working with AXA Engineers feels like having a highly skilled team located right next door. Trust deepens when the outsourcing provider is treated as a partner rather than a transactional vendor. A partner is invited into the planning process early, contributing ideas that can save time, reduce costs, and enhance quality. AXA Engineers has supported U.S. firms in overcoming complex engineering challenges such as grading in difficult terrain, managing flood-prone areas, coordinating utility systems, and designing efficient stormwater solutions. The use of advanced tools like Civil 3D, InfraWorks, Dynamo, Storm, and sanitary analysis and vehicle tracking allows AXA Engineers to bring informed, data-driven solutions that meet both technical and regulatory demands. By being involved from the conceptual stage to the as-built phase, AXA Engineers helps clients achieve better outcomes and avoid costly rework. An important part of sustaining a long-term relationship is aligning on long-term objectives. When an outsourcing provider understands the client's multi-year vision, it becomes easier to anticipate future needs, scale resources accordingly, and develop solutions that fit into a bigger picture. AXA Engineers has been invited to share insights at the Autodesk APAC panel discussion, representing the ASEAN region, which reflects not only technical expertise but also thought leadership in the field. The company's recognition as one of the best workplaces in Vietnam in 2025 further demonstrates a strong internal culture, which translates into better service and more consistent results for clients. Building a partnership that lasts also means celebrating shared successes. Completing a challenging project ahead of schedule, securing an important permit, or introducing a design innovation are all milestones that strengthen the bond between client and provider. AXA Engineers has been featured in publications such as World's Leaders Magazine and APAC Entrepreneur Magazine for inspiring entrepreneurial achievements and redefining success on a global stage. These recognitions mirror the company's commitment to excellence and the trust it has built with its partners over time. In the end, sustaining a long-term relationship with a civil engineering outsourcing provider comes down to 3 essentials: selecting a partner with proven expertise, maintaining open communication, and fostering a collaborative spirit. For companies seeking not just a service provider but a dedicated ally in achieving project success, AXA Engineers offers the reliability, technical mastery, and forward-thinking approach needed to make outsourcing a true long-term advantage.